Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The new intern handled tasks with surprising blank. A. Clumsiness. B. Competence. C. Confusion. D. Reluctance. The correct answer is letter B. Competence. Competence means skill and ability. The room fell into blank as soon as the principal walked in. A. Chaos. B. Silence. C. Laughter. D. Applause. The correct answer is letter B. Silence. Silence fits sudden quiet. Her blank attitude made it difficult for others to work with her. A. Cooperative. B. Hostile. C. Friendly. D. Patient. The correct answer is letter B. Hostile. Hostile means unfriendly or aggressive. The festival atmosphere was blank, filled with music and laughter. A. Gloomy. B. Vibrant. C. Quiet. D. Dull. The correct answer is letter B. Vibrant. Vibrant means full of energy. The doctor gave a blank diagnosis after reviewing all the tests. A. Rushed. B. Careless. C. Precise. D. Doubtful. The correct answer is letter C. Precise. Precise means exact. The children showed blank during the long trip, surprising their parents. A. Restlessness. B. Patience. C. Frustration. D. Boredom. The correct answer is letter B. Patience. Patience fits calm waiting. The company launched a blank campaign that boosted sales. A. Disastrous. B. Ineffective. C. Successful. D. Uncertain. The correct answer is letter C. Successful. Successful means achieving results. Her blank remarks hurt her friend's feelings. A. Thoughtful. B. Insensitive. C. Kind. D. Gentle. The correct answer is letter B. Insensitive. Insensitive means lacking concern. The students were blank to participate in the school's charity event. A. Unwilling. B. Disinterested. C. Enthusiastic. D. Hesitant. The correct answer is letter C. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means excited and ready. The courtroom was filled with blank as the verdict was announced. A. Laughter. B. Tension. C. Celebration. D. Joy. The correct answer is letter B. Tension. Tension fits a serious verdict moment. What is your score?